Red flags, that's an interesting subject. I'm Neil Davies, owner and senior partner of Caddick Davies Solicitors. Today, we're talking about how to choose your motoring lawyer. If you need one, what steps should you take? How do you choose your motoring solicitor? You've gone on the internet, you have a problem with a motoring offence, you're researching, and everyone is professing to be experts in the field. So how do you navigate this minefield? Who's the best person for you? The truth of it is that the best thing to do is, first of all, do your research. Look at testimonials, look at reviews, look at Trustpilot, look at Google. There's all manner of platforms out there to try and help you reach this decision. Also look at the experience of the person you're dealing with. How long have they been qualified? How long have they been in the business? I'd also say ring up and speak to different solicitors. Speak to them over the telephone, speak to them face to face. Now, you'll get a feel for whoever you're talking to as to whether or not they've got your best interests at heart, whether or not they know what they're talking about. Because most importantly, you should use who you feel comfortable with and the person who you feel has your best interests at heart. Obviously, cost always comes into it. Everyone has their own differing budgets, so you also need to take that into account. Have an honest conversation about the cost of your representation. If it's a fixed fee, is it a real fixed fee? If someone quotes a fixed fee, ask them the question, is that all I will pay at the end of the case? Because in some cases, somebody might say it's the fixed fee for this part, it's a fixed fee for that part, and it's a fixed fee for the next part. Well, in truth, that isn't really a fixed fee. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet for the lawyer. That is the truth. So ask them that question. What will this cost me at the end of it? If we add up all of these fixed fees, how much am I going to pay? Because at the end of the day, it is your hard-earned money that you're putting forward. What are the red flags? What are the things that you need to avoid? First of all, if a lawyer says to you that there is a guarantee of an outcome and then is suggesting an exorbitant fee, let me tell you this, and everyone knows, there are no guarantees in life. The only guarantee is being born and then dying. Any lawyer that professes to offer a guarantee, unless they're the judge or jury in the case, is not telling the truth. Have a think about the manner in which the advice is given when you speak to people. If any lawyer opens up the conversation with telling you how much it's going to cost without actually discussing the case with you and finding out what it's about and indeed whether or not they can help you, that is a very big red flag. If anyone isn't transparent about fees, again, that is a red flag. What you should always be able to expect from your lawyer is honesty as to whether or not you need a solicitor, and secondly, honesty about what it's going to cost. Because at the end of the day, using a lawyer isn't for everyone. I have to say, I am somewhat sympathetic to people looking out there for lawyers because there's so much conflicting information that you may find. But hopefully, those few tips will help you out in that task of determining which the best lawyer is for you. With all that being said, I have to do it. A bit of brazen self-promotion. Hopefully you'll give Caddick Davies a call. We'll give you honest advice, A, on whether or not you need a solicitor, and B, will be transparent as to what the costs may be. Hopefully you will have seen our reviews on Trustpilot with a 4-star rating in the top 3 firms in the country by Trustpilot. Give us a call. Hopefully we can help, and hopefully you'll choose us.